Hello again, thanks for being here. It's Scott from NYC Math Academy, here to present another parenting tip for raising great students. So we've had tons of parents ask us about getting extra practice resources. Well, the last few weeks, I've shared our science resources and our English resources. Today, we're going to share the math resources. So if you need extra practice tests to work on with your kids, you've come to the right place. All the links will be in the descriptions below. We're going to get straight to that in just a minute. If you have not signed up to subscribe to our YouTube channel yet, please take a moment and do that now. You can leave any comments below. That's also where the links will be. If you need any help in math, check out our courses at nycmathacademy.com. All right, let's get to it. In this section of the video, we're going to be talking about the math resources that I think are the best on the internet. Now, if you're brand new to our videos, you may not know that NY Math Tutor and NYC Math Academy are presenting this YouTube channel. So, of course, we are going to show you our websites that we think are fantastic, a fantastic place to find your math resources. We're also going to show you one of our authors, Scott Grierson, and his ebooks on Amazon. So, this is a bit of self-promotion, but everything on NY Math Tutor is free. So, let's get into it right now. This is the site, nymathtutor.com, where you'll find all kinds of free resources. So let's start by just picking your grade level. So you'll see we have 3rd through 8th. Let's go with 4th. Why not? So right here you'll see tests, ebooks, and a daily word problem blog. Right? Let's go with tests. So we have a whole bunch of tests and what it's about. So here's a California assessment with 42 fill-in-the-blank questions without an answer key. All right, so if you don't know what you're doing, you might not want to pick this one because there's no answer key. Here's another one from California with 64 multiple-choice questions with an answer key. So if you just want to keep your kids busy, give them this test that has an answer key with it. You can click it. The test will pop up here in just a second. Print it out. It's all right there, ready to go with an answer key way down here at the end. All right, easy as that. So each grade will have all of these tests listed. Okay, there's about 20 tests for each grade, so that's a whole lot of extra practice that you can use, that you can do with your child or you can do with your class. Now you can find all of these tests just through Google. They're all totally free, but we've kind of put them all in one place and told you what we think about it and given you a little overview of what it's about. So I also mentioned the word problems. So if you go to the word problem blog, this is where we put all of our little word problem challenges. So this summer we did a summer math challenge with 10 levels, right? You can also click the top where it says word problems. And each little challenge, this is the level 10, so don't start here, has a video explanation as well. So go ahead and pause. Here's your problem. A barrel starts out with a certain amount of water inside of it. James adds 10 liters of water to the barrel. This makes it 60% full. Then James adds another 6 liters of water to the barrel, which makes the barrel 75% full. How much water was in the barrel at the start? Wow, that is a hard question. If you're in the 3rd or 4th grade, third or fourth grade, you're probably not getting that one. Yeah, 7th or 8th graders, maybe. But fortunately, this video will show you exactly how to do it as it goes. See? There's me on the whiteboard explaining exactly what to do. Okay, so there's a whole bunch of these. You can click on any level, go back and start on level 1 is probably the best way to do it. So if we go back home, you can also go to any other grade and you'll see the same thing. Say you have a 7th grader, just click on tests and boom, you're right there ready to go with all these free practice tests. Now, we also have a huge section on the SHSAT. That is a test in New York to get into the specialized high schools. So if you go to that section, you'll see some video tutorials. You'll see walkthroughs of the handbooks from 2017 and 2016. So these are mainly for 8th graders. They're good for 8th graders all across the country, or even really freshmen in high school or some really, really advanced 7th graders. All of these would be great for that. And it's nice because there's a walkthrough of every single math problem. All right, what else is on the site? We also have our parenting tips, right? That's like the video you're watching here. So if you go here, you'll see all of our parenting tips. You can watch the video and you can see a little blog that we've written about each one explaining exactly what's in it. And you can see an About section to find out more about us. You can contact us. You can listen to the podcast. And you can sign up for tutoring if you are in the Brooklyn area. All right, let's transition to NYC Math Academy. This is our online math academy. So right now, we're only offering third grade courses. As you can see, we have 6 different third grade courses. We have addition and subtraction, word problems, number sense, visual math, which is like graphs, multiplication and division, and then you could buy the entire bundle. So each course has 4 different sections in it. So if your kids are really struggling with multiplication and division, it might be a great time to go ahead and try out the multiplication and division course. All of our courses offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk at all. If you don't like it, go ahead and return it. You'll get all of your money back. And you can always see a sample of the class curriculum right here. So multiplying by hundreds, multiplication facts, division facts, and fractions, which I know we all struggle with, right? So if your kids are struggling with any of those topics, it might be a great idea to get started with one of these courses. Or of course, you can buy the entire bundle at a discounted rate. That gives you access to all 5 of these courses. So that's the NYC Math Academy that we've created. We'll have new grades coming up soon. Right now we're working on a fractions course that will cover adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing, basically between a 3rd and a 5th grade level. So that's what's coming up next. All right, let's switch over and talk about one of our authors, Scott Grierson, on Amazon. So if you just type in Scott Grierson into your Amazon account, you're going to see about 6 books here. We have a 3rd grade book, 99 third grade math problems. That you can actually get for free if you watch some of the other videos. We have a 4th grade book, 6th grade math book, 5th grade math book. We have an essay writing book, which I talked about briefly in another video. It's the 10 Keys to the Perfect Essay. And we have a percent book. So you can pick up any of those books. They range from 99 cents to $9.99. Right? This is the only one that's actually a paperback book. Everything else is an ebook. So we have plenty of resources to offer here at NY Math Tutor and our affiliate NYC Math Academy. Please feel free to check them out. If you do have any questions, you can leave those in the comments below. As always, we will have the links in the description to this video for all the websites you have seen today. And we hope you subscribe, and we will see you next week with another parenting tip for raising great students. Bye.
Hey, I'm back. I forgot to mention that you can check out our other videos right here and right up here. And as always, you can subscribe right here to our channel. If you haven't checked out our new Math Academy yet, go to nycmathacademy.com and check it out. Have a good week. Bye.